In Nigeria, health and hope go hand in hand. President Bola Tinubu's administration is revolutionizing healthcare delivery and strengthening social safety nets to ensure no one is left behind. This is the story of a nation caring for the people. The Tinubu administration is committed to accessible healthcare and robust social welfare with bold policies. The goal is clear: universal health coverage, modernized facilities, and support for the most vulnerable, transforming lives across Nigeria.
Fellow Nigerians and friends from around the world, good day to you all. Today I am pleased to inform you that under the leadership of His Excellency President Bola Tinubu GCFR, the federal government of Nigeria has taken a giant step forward in its effort to localize the manufacturing of pharmaceuticals and medical devices in our country for the benefit of our people, our economy, and our region at large. Only a few days ago, the foremost Swiss Academy, the Empower School of Health Geneva, signed a memorandum of understanding to establish a regional training hub for pharmaceutical manufacturing in Nigeria, which will be launched very soon. It will be named Empower Academy Nigeria. This historic development would not have been possible without the critical work of the presidential initiative to unlock the healthcare value chain, PVAC, undertaken since its establishment by the President in November 2023, under the leadership of its national coordinator, Dr. Abdul Mukhtar, which has led to several high-value investment commitments and for the initiative that has the mandate to increase local manufacturing of pharmaceutical products in Nigeria to at least 70% of locally consumed pharmaceuticals and a large portion of the vaccines that we consume by 2030, and to increase the total direct full-time employees working in life sciences manufacturing by tens of thousands, up from the current workforce estimated at approximately 20,000, to establish at least 2 plants for biologicals over time, establish at least 5 new medical supplies and diagnostics platforms over time, and to double Nigeria's pharmaceutical market share in Africa to at least 15% over time. With over 70 new healthcare manufacturing companies already partnering on 22 large-scale projects, which are presently in negotiations with various international financiers, thanks to the active bridging and enabling role of PVAC, and with the incredible support of my colleagues, Minister Jumoke Oduole and Minister Eno, who are co-leading the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investments in Nigeria. We have now the missing link that has now been corrected, a platform in Nigeria for developing our workforce, developing the talent across several subsectors of the pharmaceutical manufacturing industries. This is where the Empower Academy Nigeria comes in. With an estimated workforce shortfall of between 5,000 to 7,000 skilled professionals in advanced manufacturing, regulatory sciences and affairs, quality assurance, and other areas of core competencies, amidst an abundance of youthful talent in our country, the new Empower Academy will deliver cutting-edge curricula, train sector-specific faculty and students, assist regulatory authorities such as NAFDAC and others in establishing and training on standard operating procedures that will dynamically strengthen the sector on a sustainable basis. It is noteworthy that Nigeria already has a line of sight to at least 1 billion euros in European Investment Bank financing mechanism, in addition to USD 1 billion in Afrexim Bank financing mechanism to support incoming manufacturers in the health and life sciences sector in Nigeria. This is one of the main reasons why the first focus of the new institution, that is Empower Academy in Nigeria, is the training of industry professionals on qualitative local drug production in high demand and high mobility sectors, following which training will be expanded to accommodate knowledge transfer in support of the local production of pharmaceutical excipients, active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, and then advanced dosage forms such as inhalers, extended release medications, and dermatological patches. Naturally, with much of the present national pharmaceuticals manufacturing ecosystem operating in 4 proximate states such as Lagos and Ogun, the Empower Academy will be sited in locations that will ensure balanced development in our country, with mobile training solutions that will apply to all regions of the country. With a mandate and capacity to train and upskill thousands of professionals annually, undergirded by cutting-edge equipment and world-class facilities, Empower Academy Nigeria will advance best practices in process engineering, regulatory compliance, quality control and environmental monitoring, business management, entrepreneurship, supply chain and distribution, as well as in customer support. While Empower Academy Nigeria will offer certification courses in partnership with regional bodies and international organizations such as the World Health Organization, Africa Centers for Disease Control, the UN Institute for Training and Research, and the International Federation of Pharmacists and others, conducted by trainers with 10 to 20 years of experience each. The efficacy of the institution will be measured by key performance indicators in conformity with global best practice. I'm equally pleased to inform you that as part of the MOU with Empower School of Health in Geneva, they will be making a significant co-investment in the establishment of the Empower Academy Nigeria, in addition to the expected diverse set of grants from other partners to support the establishment of the institution. Under the leadership of our President Bola Tinubu, GCFR, Nigeria is charting a new path for other nations to follow in providing end-to-end solutions for pharmaceutical manufacturing and biologicals manufacturing, backed by a fully articulated and multidisciplinary workforce training and retraining platform for up-to-date industrial knowledge transfer. Just over a month ago, Mr. President inaugurated the National Health Fellows Program, where future health sector leaders from all the 774 local government areas of our federation are being trained and mentored to sustain the dynamic development of the Nigerian healthcare ecosystem in the years to come. Today, we are providing a platform that opens the doors for tens of thousands of new and existing professionals to grow their capacity for the benefit of all our citizens, our continent, and for the world. This is the Nigerian Renaissance in full motion and in real time. And this administration is driving towards tangible improvement and empowerment of all Nigerians so that we all get to be the change that we have always sought for.
The National Health Insurance Authority is leading the change towards universal coverage by 2030. In 2024, 15 million Nigerians joined the scheme, with premiums fully subsidized for 10 million indigent citizens. To reach remote areas, 500 mobile clinics were deployed, bringing healthcare to the doorstep of rural communities. These efforts are ensuring every Nigerian has access to quality medical care, regardless of where they live or their financial status. From universal health insurance to mental health support, from cash transfers to local vaccine production, President Tinubu's policies are building a healthier, more inclusive Nigeria. These efforts are not just about care, they are about creating a future where every Nigerian can thrive. Want to learn more about Nigeria's healthcare and welfare transformation? Simply like, subscribe and share this video to spread the word. You can also subscribe to this channel and not forgetting our social media handles and website. That's www.von.gov.ng. Till next time, it's bye for now.